Good morning, students. I am S. Hariharan, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, KSR College of Arts and Science for Women, Tirchangur. In this video, we are going to discuss about optimization techniques one by one. So, for the overview, here we are going to discuss introduction, OR meaning, OR models, applications, LPP that is linear programming problem, TP that is transportation problem, AP that is assignment problem. First of all, introduction. Operations research is an art and science. It had its early roots in World War II and its flourishing in business and industry with the aid of computer. Primary applications areas of operations research include forecasting, production scheduling, inventory control, capital budgeting, and transportation. What is operations research? Operations research is the scientific approach to execute decision making, which consists of the art of mathematical modeling of complex situations, the science of the development, situation techniques used to solve these models, the ability to effectively communicate the results to the decision maker. Terminology. The British or Europeans refer to operational research, the Americans to operations research, but both are often shortened to just OR. Now it is well developed and optimization techniques. Another term used for this field is management science. In US, OR and MS are combined together to form ORMS. Yet another term sometimes used are industrial engineering and decision science. Operations research. There are two types of models: deterministic models, stochastic models. In deterministic models, linear programming, network optimization, integer programming, non-linear programming, inventory models. Stochastic models, it contains discrete time Markov chain, continuous time Markov chain, queuing theory, decision analysis, game theory, inventory model, and simulation. History of OR. OR is a relatively new discipline. 70 years ago, it would have been possible to study mathematics, physics, or engineering at university. It would not have been possible to study OR. It was really only in the late 1930s that operations research began an systematic way. Application areas: strategic planning, supply chain management, pricing and revenue management, logistic and site location, optimization, marketing research. LPP model formulation. Decision variables, mathematical symbols representing levels of activity of an operation. Objective function, a linear relationship reflecting the objective of an operation. Most frequent objective of business firm is to maximize the profit. Most frequent objective of individual operational units such as a production or packaging department is to minimize the cost. Constraint, a linear relationship representing a restrictions on decision making. Solution procedure of TP, that is transportation problem. Conceptually, the transportation is similar to simplex method. Begin with an initial feasible solution. This initial feasible solution may or may not be optimal. The only way you can find it out is to test it. If the solution is not optimal, it is revised and the test is repeated. Each iteration should bring you closer to the optimal solution. Finding an IBFS. There are a number of methods for generating an initial feasible solution for a transportation problem, like northwest corner method, least cost method, Vogel's approximation method. Let us see one by one in our next video. Thank you.